Earlier on, law students learn 2 points. If the facts are on your side, argue the facts. If the case law is on your side, then argue the case law. Either way, you need to learn technology within the modern courtroom in order to get your point across. Federal court systems now equip their courtrooms with a lot of technology that you should be aware of and take advantage of. You can simply come in with your laptop, plop it down, hook it to the courtroom technology, and present your case electronically. At the very simple level, you can use an application called Microsoft PowerPoint. That would get your point across. But with today's technology, you have a more elaborate option that is trial specific and will allow you to be prepared better and get your point across to the judge and the jury easier. The most common applications out there are Trial Director, Visionary, and Sanction. All of them do about the same thing, and I would urge you to perform some research to find which best fits your case. All of them are specific to trial presentation. It will allow you to manage your case better. It will allow you to take your paper exhibits, have them scanned in. It will allow you to take your animated graphics, your video, your depositions, all parts of the case that you might have, and actually present it throughout an electronic courtroom system so that all can see, including the judge, jury, and both counsels. Within one click of a button, you can take your exhibit and show it up on the computer screens to get your point across. The greatest benefit to using this technology is to actually take your exhibits that you're not prepared for, find them easily, and show them up into the courtroom. This benefits you because you don't have to stop your momentum, go through your boxes of pages, your 3-ring binders, try to find the page, and then hand out multiple copies. You can simply do this, like I said, by one click of the button. So the benefit to using this type of technology is the fact that you're going to have everything on the computer. You're going to be able to, especially during cross-examination, be able to react quickly to what the witness says, to some of the rulings that the judge creates, and still be able to make your point in a quickly and timely fashion. The jury's going to be able to understand this technology with a younger crowd and being able to accept the evidence across the computer screen and see it visually, in many cases far better than what's on a piece of paper. The downfalls would be not being prepared. You still have to know your exhibits, you still have to know your exhibit numbers, your Bates numbers, however you're comfortable recalling your exhibits within the courtroom. So you still have to be prepared throughout the entire process, but like I said before, to contradict that, and the greatest benefit is the fact that you can actually go away from your outline and select exhibits that you might not have ever thought you might call just simply because the witness has actually stated something that he's never stated in an earlier deposition. One of the greatest, most powerful points you can get across is the use of video deposition. And I've seen this firsthand used quite elegantly within the courtroom. If you use one of these 3 applications, Trial Director, Visionary, or Sanction, you're able to create smaller video clips and show just single lines of questions and answers and not have to show the entire clip. You can prepare for this quite easily by simply highlighting the transcript, right-clicking, and creating a video clip. So you're able to do this pretty much on the fly within the courtroom. Especially if you want to get across some type of facial expression, some type of point that the witness is not making on the stand, you can certainly call this up on rebuttal or as I said, to make a direct point if the witness is not available. Those are some tremendous benefits to your case that we certainly encourage you and push you towards using the technology within the courtroom to best benefit you. I would also encourage you to contact the clerk's office in the federal district court or also the state courthouse, depending upon where your case is being heard. Different levels of court systems have different technologies, different procedures, and different protocols. The U.S. District Court of the Southern District of Indiana has complete technology built into their courthouse. However, as I said earlier, I strongly recommend you contact the clerk's office to find out what their specific procedures and protocols are so that you can try a successful case.